How many times have you stepped into the shower, only to knock over a precarious tower of shampoo bottles, or stared in frustration at a slimy, rusted wire rack hanging from your shower head? If you are ready to banish bathroom clutter for good, maximize your storage space, and give your shower a clean, high-end look without touching a power drill, you need to see this. We are breaking down the ultimate home organization upgrade, the EUDELE Adhesive Shower Caddy 5-pack. This isn't your standard ordinary plastic suction cup shelf that slides down the wall the second you put a full bottle of conditioner on it. This is a heavy-duty, ultra-reliable storage system crafted from premium, 100% rust-proof stainless steel, engineered to turn a chaotic, cramped shower into a serene, spa-like sanctuary. What makes the EUDELE system a total game-changer is its completely tool-free, damage-free installation. Utilizing an industrial-grade, transparent adhesive strip, these shelves bond incredibly well to smooth surfaces like ceramic tile, tempered glass, or acrylic. You don't need a single drill bit, making it an absolute lifesaver for renters or anyone wanting to protect their bathroom walls. Once mounted, each individual shelf boasts a massive load capacity, allowing you to pump your heavy, jumbo-sized salon bottles directly on the caddy without worrying about it sagging, bending, or slipping off the wall. Inside the bundle, you get a highly versatile 5-piece configuration, including large baskets for your shampoos and body washes, dedicated soap dishes, and integrated hooks to hang your loofahs, washcloths, and razors. Because they are constructed from high-grade stainless steel with an open, hollow-carved bottom design, water drains away instantly. Your products dry rapidly, completely preventing stagnant water buildup, soap scum rings, and unpleasant musty smells from forming. Plus, their minimalist, sleek aesthetic means they look just as sharp-acting as a kitchen spice rack or a powder room cosmetic organizer. Whether you are trying to share a compact bathroom with roommates, cleaning up an apartment rental, or just tackling a satisfying home organization project, it completely redefines your vertical space. If you are ready to stop sacrificing your peace of mind to cluttered, messy ledges and start enjoying a beautifully organized, sparkling, clean shower every single morning, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, your daily routine and your peace of mind will thank you.